The horizon fades into gold as the futuristic motorhome stands still, its flowing white and graphite body gleaming like a sculpture of motion, even at rest. Its surface glows with streaks of amber light that trace every curve, a vision of innovation crafted for those who see travel as an art. But the real story begins the moment the doors glide open. You step inside, and the world shifts. The soft scent of cedar and linen greets you as your eyes meet the bedroom, an oasis designed to feel suspended between earth and sky. The bed appears to float, resting on an illuminated base that mimics starlight. Walls curve organically around you, blending ivory leather and brushed gold accents. A panoramic smart window lines the side, tinting itself automatically as sunlight moves across the sky. The lighting above is soft, fluid, and alive, each glow responding to your heartbeat and mood. Beside it lies the private dressing cabin, a realm of quiet elegance. Floor-to-ceiling mirrors adjust tone and brightness with your gestures. Drawers open soundlessly, revealing velvet compartments and fragrance capsules that release a calming aroma. Every element is crafted for effortless grace, because here, style isn't shown, it's lived. Moving forward, the office space flows seamlessly into view. A sleek carbon fiber desk faces the horizon through a full-length glass wall. Holographic panels rise from the surface, projecting meetings, maps, or music with one touch. The seat molds perfectly to your posture, and soft soundproofing cocoons the space, turning motion into stillness. From work to relaxation, every transition feels choreographed. The lounge opens next, a world of serenity wrapped in gold. Deep graphite sofas form an intimate circle around a glowing glass table. Hidden lighting runs through the ceiling and walls, creating the illusion of light flowing through air. The panoramic windows expand your view into endless landscapes, each mile turning into art. To the side, the open kitchen, white marble surfaces conceal smart appliances that rise at command. The induction counter warms instantly, the AI brewing station remembers your favorite blend, and the translucent bar shelves hold crystal bottles that glow softly in rhythm with the music. Every motion here feels like magic, elegant, effortless, alive. Beyond a sliding glass door lies the washroom, where tranquility meets design. The shower is encased in smoked glass, with rainfall jets that adjust pressure and temperature automatically. The mirror doubles as a personal display, showing your route, weather, or even soft sunrise light as you prepare. Brushed stone, champagne metal, and ambient lighting merge to create a space that feels more spa than restroom. But just when you think you've seen it all, a soft light reveals the motorhome's secret, a retractable pool at the rear deck. With a touch, the floor slides open to reveal a transparent, LED-lit basin. Warm water fills the chamber, glowing against the twilight. Imagine floating under open skies as the world drifts past, stars above, reflections below, silence all around. Beside the pool, the compact gym stands ready, minimal yet complete. A treadmill, bike, and smart dumbbells align beneath soft white light, with mirrored panels expanding the space infinitely. Every move feels in sync with the hum of the road. And then, at the front, the cockpit, the command center of this moving masterpiece. The glass panels curve around the pilot's seat, displaying holographic navigation and AI-assisted controls. The seat itself is sculpted in matte ivory, surrounded by golden light strips that pulse with the rhythm of the engine. When this motorhome moves, it feels less like driving and more like gliding through time. Every inch, from the floating bed to the glowing pool, tells the story of innovation meeting imagination. This isn't just a vehicle, it's freedom in motion, luxury reborn, and the future unfolding on wheels. Comment below and let us know which part of this futuristic motorhome amazed you the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more of the world's most luxurious and futuristic private motorhomes.